everyone. Today we will be showing the proper or the correct way to use a 3D glass, how to we use it to protect it in a better manner. So first you have to make sure that there is very less or no dust on the screen, because once screen has been infiltrated with any amount of dust particles, it may create a lump between the screen and the protective cover. So there are several processes to complete it. So first you have to use this adhesive based sticker to stick it out every dust particles visible on the screen. Next, we will use a specialized glue that reacts to UV ray. So the glue has to be put on the center. So we found some glitch that is, we are rectifying it. Later we will use the glass in this manner that the glue evenly gets distributed to each corner of the phone, but make sure you don't have to touch the screen. The process has to be automatic process or a self-flowing glue process. The glue has to be reaching all the corners by its own. Make sure no pressure is applied over the screen, and now you can see the glue has evenly distributed, capturing every corner, and it looks well protected now. Edge is still need to be covered, but this glue is very smart and it will take its place. It will take the shape. It is taking the shape, and I guess it's done. Yes, that's the advantage of smart glue now. And now we will use UV ray to make this a smart glue stick properly. This is a specialized UV ray light, and we put over it so that the glue starts reacting to the light and it sticks properly.
Okay.
Thank you.